Just reviewing the Cute Critter collection for our Clippy replacement for Microsoft Longhorn XP, and I want to design an OS around it. Get draws of all the character pogs and put them as permanent commenters and assistive devices on all our software and media. And they just follow as a group together with all like 80 or so identities and workload jobs we have for this project, and get everyone focused on one task, being their expertise, and being able to do at least the jobs of 10 other tasks, multitasking on each one, to see what we can do in the computing industry. Sounds fun. Anyway, if you need to talk to a sparrow to pick up some paint, or a camel about the camera, feel free to do so. Focus. Show the text. I'm sick of this copyright breakage. I'm reading it now. Time Tune Ninja Tuna. Here is it. At the top right here, it says Time Tune Ninja Tuna. Surface pressurometer Raccoon Panda. Poly Party Pathing Probability Program Puma. Massively Multiplayer Modron. Personal Graphics and Physical Interaction Level Legionary. Difficulty Level Demonologist. Health Assessment Potion. Woodshop Dust. Social Webweave Wolf Spider. Model Animation Model Director Pajam Pickle Jelly Jam Diljar. Weather Station Washbox Machine. Temperature Telling Green Onion. Water Quality Aussie Oxalotl. Motion Stabilization Unicorn. Accessibility Service General Store Spokesperson Mutant. Group and Garden Billy Goat. Light Level Liege Lizard. Kitchen Food Fairy. Fabric Fashion Closet Oyster. Ink Supply Carry Canary. Camera Camel. Dom Dugarat, which is like an architect. Color Rainbow Cloud. Power Viking. Band Mallet Dwarf. Draft Dragon. Learning Ultra Rabrat. Plant Game Select Spy. Install Renaissance Wizard. Install Renaissance Wizard. Settings menu Sailor Genie. Audio Appliance Sputnik Satellite Space Alien. Combo Card Comic Cartoonist. Writing Red Robot Run Droid. Number Qual Tree. Keyboard Board Kit Kat. Male Spaghetti Medusa. Polylingual Potato Maggot Pile. Map